Everyone's talking about Olipop, and I finally tried it. It's packed with prebiotics for gut health and only 2 to 5 grams of sugar.
I just created this Olipop ad in under 3 minutes. No filming, no editing. It was on one platform, and I'm gonna show you how. Now here's what's driving me crazy about AI tools. You make one ad and you need all of this. ChatGPT, Runway, ElevenLabs, CapCut Pro, Canva, DaVinci Resolve, the list can go on. You can easily spend about $150 a month and you're spending hours still trying to piece it all together. What if I told you one tool has changed that? This is Nextify. It's professional video ads, static ads, and a library of winning templates all in one platform. Scripts written by AI, videos generated in minutes, voiceovers included, and you can create thumbnails and social posts too. And I'm dropping my link below so you can get free credits so you can test it out for yourself, and no credit card is required. Now, let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, so the first feature we're gonna talk about today is the video ad generator. Now I'm going to create the Olipop ad that you just saw. So step one, upload your product image. And I'm using Olipop. It's a prebiotic soda that's just blowing up on TikTok and Amazon. Now watch this. Instead of writing the script yourself, Nextify does it automatically. It's analyzing the product, identifying the category, the target audience, and the key benefits. And boom, look, you didn't have to go anywhere else. 3 completely different scripts and different angles. Script 1, it's lifestyle, aspirational, it's emotional, story-driven, feel-good type of vibes. In script 2, it's social proof, that trending product, the FOMO viral angle. Now look at this. It has identified the product name, the category, the functional beverages, and the core selling points: prebiotic, gut health, low sugar, target audience, health-conscious millennials, and Gen Z. It even suggests the region and video style. Now I'm gonna go with the viral angle because this product is perfect for TikTok or Instagram and even Amazon. Everybody's talking about Olipop and I finally tried it. It's packed with prebiotics for gut health. It's only 2 to 5 grams of sugar and it actually tastes amazing. If you're cutting back on sugar but still want that soda fix, this is it. Trust me, your gut will thank you. Perfect. Now that's our script. Now let's just dial in on the settings. I'm gonna go 9:16 for short form video ads, TikTok Shop, Instagram Reels. So if you're doing it for YouTube or Facebook, go 16:9. And we're gonna do the duration for 8 seconds. You can go up to 15, but right now we're gonna make 8 seconds our sweet spot. We're gonna go with a quality of 1080p, but here's a pro tip. If you want to get 4K, generate at 1080p and use an AI upscaler like Topaz, and you can just go from there. Now the AI model I'm using is VO3.1 because it handles product shots in vibrant colors really well. You hit generate. This costs about 10 credits, which is about $1. It takes about 3 to 10 minutes depending on the server load. So I'm gonna fast forward a bit. Now here's the result.
Everyone's talking about Olipop, and I finally tried it. It's packed with prebiotics for gut health and only 2 to 5 grams of sugar.
Look at that. Professional lighting, smooth camera movements, vibrant colors, natural voiceover. This looks like a real ad that you would see on Instagram or TikTok. Here's what most people miss. You can test the same product with a different script and even a different size. So let me generate the same product with a different script. So we're gonna use this script.
Refreshment reimagined. Olipop brings you the soda experience you love with the gut health benefits you need.
Okay, same product, completely different look. Now you can test which one converts better for your audience. And whichever one wins, double down on it. Just so you know, you aren't tied down to only the scripts that are generated. You can definitely upload your own scripts or tweak these. Here's one that I made for a different brand using the same process. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next feature. We're gonna go to award-winning ads. Now this is a library of proven ad templates that already convert. So you're winning from saving time on figuring out what works already. You can easily browse by industry, if it's e-commerce or health and wellness, beauty, tech, food, and beverage. Each one is based on real ads that performed well. Now I'm gonna go with these cute boots. This is a trending product hooked, and this will be perfect for viral products. Now look, it shows you the structure. The hook is in the first 2 seconds, the product reveal, key benefits, social proof, call to action. You can see the pacing and the style and the format. So just click, use this template, and it pre-fills everything for you. Customize it for your product. Upload your own image and adjust the script, then generate. Look, the same amount of credits and the same process. Now here's the result. follow the proven template structure. Now you can do this for any product. Here's a template for unboxing videos, and here's one for before and after transformations, and here's one for product comparison. And you can do this for any product, even if it's a digital product. If you're ever stuck on what type of ad to create, just browse here and model what's already working. Here's the third feature that we're going to discuss today. It is the static ad generator. Now this can create everything from YouTube thumbnails to Instagram posts to Facebook ads and even product images. You have a few AI models to choose from. I am going to select Nano Banana Pro. So for example, let me create a YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to use this prompt and we're going to do that a few times so we can A/B test our thumbnail. 4 variations to choose from. And here are the results. Now I can download any of these and use them as is, or I can make some small tweaks even using Canva. Now let me create an Instagram post for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So here's our prompt. This is perfect for an ad. It's clean, professional, and scroll stopping. And we're going to create this for Amazon or TikTok Shop. Create a professional product image for Olipop Prebiotic Soda. And here's the prompt. Now check out the result. Perfect for product listings. You can create the entire product catalog with this. Now let me show you a quick pricing breakdown. So the free plan gives you enough credits to test. The starter plan is just $27 for 100 credits. And you're getting an idea about how much it takes for each video ad. So video ads normally cost about 10 credits each. Static ads cost 1 credit each. So the pro plan will give you about 30 ads per month, plus hundreds of static images that you can go out and sell. You go out and compare that to getting every tool separately, you can save so much and still get so many features. That's Nextify. Video ads, winning templates, and static images all in one platform. My link is in the description. And remember, you get free credits to test this yourself and no credit card is required. Now, if you want my full system for landing clients and turning this into consistent income, not just cool videos, but actually putting money in your account, just type in system below in the comments and I will send it over. So drop a like if this has helped and subscribe for more AI tools that actually work. And tell me in the comments, what product are you going to create for your first ad? Remember, click the link and get started for free. I can't wait to see what you create and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.